Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel Anytime Money Learn to Earn and myself Chandra. And in this video we discuss about 1 minute scalping, which is we worked in a lot of product like in a gold, like in cryptocurrency, like in stock, also in commodity and also in currency pairs. So in this strategy we discuss how we took trades and we go with a live example. Like today we took some trade that is a $217 and current balance is $945, right? So firstly you need to check that where is current market is running. So current market it's 1648. You need to draw the trend line on a 1 minute chart with the previous swings, high and lows, two highs or two lows. So I draw this, like if I from upside 1643 I draw the second and I just connect that. Now we go from bottom side. If you check that the candle is broken, the trend line, first we draw which, and this is a one another trend line from bottom, two bottoms. Now check, there is a support area, there is a two support, so we buy took a one trade and we took two or three multiple trades on this reason. The reason behind this, if you check that market go up, come down, and if you check that this candle is red but it is come to that our junction and suddenly went up, so we took those trades. And if it is come down we will always take, so took some trades, add some lots if it is going little bit down or up. And our target is below 1647, the previous swing lows. If you check, this candle is coming, creating, go up, and our target is around previous swing high, that 1650 to 1651. So just we wait. And if you still not know that what is forex and anything you help from me, so you can just drop comment on our video and you can connect on telegram. We have lot of courses, various courses for every individuals, one-to-one sessions. If you want to get expertise on forex or you want to expertise in stock market, and I'm not look for market, I look for strategies which is working on a technical aspects, not in a fundamental thing. That is the reason we discuss strategies with a live trade. I also took some live trades and tried to explain to everyone. You will check that market is now moving upside 1649. So we took some more trades. Once it is go little bit down or little bit up, so we always took some add lot, at least two to three lots we add, because we do scalping, so we need to book profit as earliest we get. That is rejecting. Still I am not exiting because our loss is around 1647 is our stop loss, the previous swing low. If you check that trend, it is come to trend line, lekin again it is go up. Sometimes you getting understood the candlestick, not candlestick pattern, you need to check the candle theory, how candle is creating, behaving. 1649. And you always first, if you want to forex trading to start, first you open trading accounts. If you require any help from me, so you let me know. Once opened account, you start with a demo account, you practice this in a demo accounts, then you get into sent accounts, then you get into real account. We always test strategies lot of time in a demo account, at least for 3 to 4 months, then we go for a live trading, and also creating videos like that in a demo accounts, in a sent accounts and live accounts. So what is, if you check that, this is a 1 2 swings, previous one high, that is our target level of 1651 to 15500. Maybe it will went up to this level and it will reject, so our target is at around 1651.500 to 1652. Now market is moving upside, and not go for very big targets, we are doing scalping. If you check that $76 around running, If you joined, you get our live stream access where we our scalp master indicator, non repaint indicator accuracy is more than 80%. You're getting 5 to 7 calls in a day, and you can access easily in phones. For gold and bitcoin, two charts are running on our live stream group. Our students are getting that access. Also our signal group, which is also open, totally free, no charges. I just try to help people to build that. They have that skill, so they involve in trading and they can much more money by the market. That is 1650. If it is go above 6051, so we start trailing. You check that. Now we start trail that once it is go above 1651. That currently, if we check that 1651 600, we just place the stop loss to 1651.300. We assure the our profit 161151 to 500. If you check that 300 running from $945 and almost 30%. 1651.1, 2 definitely 2 is exited. Now it is go up to 418. We change the stop loss for third one, which it is in that 2 is booked at $94, $95. Its total is 391. And these strategies you can apply in any market. It's not restricted to gold or something. That needs to, it should be volatile product. It's not a sideways or very slow momentum product. Now it's come to resistance level, and we change our stop loss again. 1651 to 700. Okay, it is come down. Okay, it is exited at 1651.300. So we book around $300 in a hardly 628 to 1628 to 1634 time within 6 minutes. Now we look for some rejection at this area, so we go for sell. If it is getting some, it is not able to break the 652. So we took some sell trades, and this is a very fast executions you required and fast decisions. You don't wait for long. Like I took one sell trade, again one we took at least two trades, three trades we taken always. That is going up, and now our stop loss is above the round figure 1652 to 500. 1652 to 500 is our stop loss if market is going that level, but it is come down. Barely chances it is again come down. That's 1651.600. It is not one day thing that you can very easily do, like make profits like that. You need to work hard on yourself and practice lot of this in demo and sent accounts, then in real accounts. This is a totally practice work. If it is rejected, then surely it will go down there, because four candles rejecting at this level continuously. This candle if rejecting from upper side, so surely it will go down. Now 486, around $300 we booked. Now if you check that market is come up to 1650 level, the trend line what we see, that is come below the upper resistance trend line. So we took one more trade. Just wait. If it is rejecting, it is sharp fall. Now it is rejecting from upside. It is very sharp fall within a hardly 2 to 3 minutes. Now $77 we able to see. Now we place the target of 1650, I think, but we just place the target of 1650.2 because this video is only created to that how in a short time how you can make the good money, and if you want to work on yourself you can make a lot of money from a market. And I always try to help people who want to learn and understand those things. Oh, what is wrong? I think 1650. Yeah, 1650.200. Now market went near about 1652. So a lot of people go into that market will go up, but overall concern market will fall down up to 1650 again. Check, it is come down. Now there is a one trend line with previous swings, previous two lows. It is broken, and now it is at around $100 we are getting. So always trend line. I am not horizontal support, no any indicator, nothing. Whenever you free, you can took trades like that. So you just subscribe our channel, share our channel, comment on video, like and share with others who want to succeed in life. That 1650 200 is already achieved. There is a total we took 6 trades. Out of six are winning. Means our accuracy is 100% in this video if you see. So always look for candlestick pattern. That current account is 1373. So today we booked around 645, and today we started with $728 in this account, and right now it is 645. And it is not like that your demo account it is, or it is your real account. What it is, if it is, we always try to work hard on and practice those things. I'm not asking that you directly go into trade. So it's 645, almost 90% in a day, and within 30 minutes, not whole day. So if you want to learn this type strategy, you can connect us. We always help you on that everything. And ROI approx 90%. So trading is very easy if you know the stuffs, understand the market, and trading is worst if you don't understood these things. I am not bothered about the market if fall to 645 or something, because whatever objective in this video I show to you. So that is from my side. If you want, thank you so much for this video. To see, if you want much more about this, you can comment us, telegram us. We'll always ready to help you. Thank you so much guys. Good day. Take care.